Hey Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Trackies, please go ahead and like the video, thumbs it up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you've yet to do so. Say no, how the thing got T always has some bangers, so this is another one here today. Now this is about the women's 200 meters, and I know I already did a long live video talking about what was to come in the event. However, that was before I saw the entry list. So now that I see the entry list, Trackies, things have changed a tad bit, and this tad bit is a big change actually. So, I decided to, let's talk about this 200 meters one more time, to say what I'm expecting in this event. So, prior to getting this entry list track is my thought process was, Shericka Jackson is the defending champion. She's not going to be turning up for this particular race. As you know, defending champion means she gets a bye automatically into the championships, so she has no need to, go to the trials and run in the 200 meters. So my thought process was, she's not going to be entering, and that's done and dusted. However, Shericka is indeed entered into that 200 meters. So, Chuck, is this definitely changes things a lot, and I believe that this race is going to be hot, 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 hot. I'm loving it. So, Chuck, is as you know, before I was looking at Shelly, Elaine, and of course Kevona, Ashanti, and Natalia. Now I'm definitely gonna have to throw in Shericka Jackson, part of the what would I say now, six athletes that I'm looking to see, make the finals and of course challenge for a spot on the team. So Chakis, as you know, when it comes to personal best in the event, Shericka Jackson sits currently at 21.45 seconds. Then we have Elaine at 21.53 seconds, second fastest ever and third fastest ever in the distance. And then we have Shelly-Ann Fraser Price with a personal best of 21.79. So Jamaica has real class in this event. Now, whether or not the girls, turn up in this shape is a whole different story. However, that's the class, that's the kind of caliber that these athletes hold in the event. So, Trackies, as I said, I believe that this is going to be a really, really hot race. Now, why I'm thinking Shericka entered this race. One, I have two thought processes as it relates to her, entering the 200 meters. One, clearly, she's gonna quote unquote peak for trials. And if you remember anything from last year, when she peaked for trials as well, she also, demolished the field running 21.55 seconds. So if she's peaking again this time around, and we're expecting a personal best in the 100 meters, hopefully a 10.6-ish, that's what we're thinking. So if she can do that, then, the time is ripe to head on into that 200 meters and destroy that as well and see what she can get, in terms of a personal best. Will she be able to lower her 21.45 that she set last year at the World Championships? That's a perfect opportunity to find that out. So, yes, I think that's, the biggest reason why she's entering the event. Plus, also, track is, in my opinion, it's to gauge Shelly-Ann Fraser Price. Now, we all want to know what Shelly has, right? And the best way to find out what she has is to race against her. They'll be able to gauge her to see, okay, this is how fast she comes off the bend. Can I cover her? Because we all know Shericka is really strong in that final straight of the race, or the final 50 of the race after coming off the bend. So the question is, where will I stand, against a Shelly, that's expected to, maybe run 10 fives or 10 fours based on what she's saying. She definitely wants to run her fastest. She's putting in all the work to do that. So we're hoping to see something really fast from Shelly. But again, she's not going over the 100, she's going over the 2. So this is the best place to meet up with her. And of course, gauge her to see, is she gonna challenge, or am I gonna challenge her in that 100 come World Championships? Because again, I'm not expecting Shelly to line up against any of these girls before the World Championships for the 100 meters. Now, when it comes to Elaine Thompson Hera, I've been watching her on the blogs for these past few days. She looks, in a good place. She looks excited. She doesn't look down. She doesn't look defeated. So I'm getting the vibe that she's coming with something too. Now I know a lot of you all are saying, "Oh God, stop with this Elaine thing. She's not gonna be doing what you're thinking. She's gonna be doing this season." Track is, you know how I feel about this. One of dead, no call him Duppy. So the vibe I'm getting a positive vibe. I'm getting positive energy, right? So because I'm getting this vibe, I'm thinking that she's for sure sure going to be coming with something good. And again, for me, when it comes to Elaine as well, this is a good way to gauge the rest of the field in terms of her biggest competition, Shericka and Shelly, to see what they have to offer, to see what she has to sharpen up on in the month and a half that she's going to have left, before the World Championships. In a month and a half, Trackies, a lot can change. As long as she makes the team, Trackies, runs fast enough to make the team, then she has a month and a half to sharpen up, to fix a few things here, change a few things there, to see if she can really challenge them on the global scene, not only over the 200 but over the 100 meters as well. As you know, even though Shericka is entered this race, where she plays does not matter in the bigger scheme of things. There will still be, three additional athletes that we will be sending to the World Championships. So yes, she's in the race, but we still a century, right? So Shelly still has her shot, Elaine still has her shot, Natalia still has her shot, Ashanti still has her shot, and of course, Kevona still has her shot. So track is, you know how I feel about Natalia and Ashanti and Kevona in this race as well. I am expecting them to come with PBs. As a matter of fact, I believe that the persons that will make the finals, save, the big three, I'm expecting them to possibly be ready to run personal best in this race. Will it be personal best that will be able to shift the game in terms of, our top guns? Not necessarily sure, not really seeing it, but they can always surprise me. But again, I'm expecting PBs from them. When it comes to Shericka, it's possible that she can do a PB as well. So I'm looking out for that. When it comes to Elaine, I'm not seeing PB yet. I'm seeing her do enough, to qualify, because again, her PB is 21.53. That's way out there, and I haven't been seeing that shape so far. So I'm not gonna really call anything ridiculous to say, oh, she's in PB shape. No, I'm expecting, a good time to qualify. When it comes to Shelly, if she is running 10.5 or 10.4, then she's possibly in PB shape. Again, 21.79. She may save that though, Trackies. She may save that run for the World Championships. You never know, because thinking back to what we've come to expect from a Shelly or a Elaine when they were part of MVP, we never saw their best 200 meters until the championships. We never saw that best run. So in my opinion, even though I'm expecting her to be in PB shape, I'm thinking that she's saving that best run in the 200 meters for the championships. That's my thought process when it comes to Shelly. So again, that's how the 200 meters stands right now. It's going to be a really, really hot event. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm looking to the girls to show up and show out in true style. They're a dominant force, not only in Jamaica, but, in the world. So I'm looking forward to seeing them really show up and show out. As usual, track is sound off in the comment section and let me know your thoughts, or you think the sound, based on the events that we're expecting to happen. And again, track is, I think I was saying that the trial starts Tuesday. I don't know where I got this Tuesday thing in my brain. I looked at the calendar and I saw Tuesday and I just ran with it, and I've been saying it ever since. So no, it actually starts Thursday. So I got the date right, which is the 6th, but I got the day wrong, which is Tuesday. It's actually Thursday. So yes, for those who've been watching my videos and heard me say Tuesday 100,000 times, I'm so sorry. I meant Thursday. So the day after tomorrow is when the championship starts, and we're looking forward to that. As usual, again, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in a next one. Bye bye.